See, I'll straight come to the basic issues. See, there are people who say that the Alumni Association does not have the representation from the Delhi Polytechnics or something. Let me tell you, in the present Alumni Association, there are people from our college from 1962 batch to 2010 batch, almost 50-year span. I'll request the young people who are, all of them actually I'll not introduce them because most of them are working outside. But some of the young people are around. I'll request them to come outside because they have generated lot of heat, lot of energy. Mr. Varun, Mr. Varun, Mr. Arun, Mr. Dharmendra, Mr. Puneet, 2005, 6, 7, 10 batches. Thank you. Basically, I want to show that there are people of all batches and these people are working like they are having the wireless. 2 days ago they said that we need wireless sets. So we organized that too because they should not be disappointed. Second issue is we organized this function in the freezing cold this year in the month of January. Now this goes back to the last year when we promised that the college function and this function will organize together. So then we were told that this function, the college organizes function in the January. So we said, okay, we'll also organize in the January. Then we approached the college saying that both the functions, if we can organize together. Professor P.V. Sharma agreed and he says, okay, he has a committee, let you talk to those committee. I sent an email to the committee, but they never responded back. Mr. Sanjay Diwan tried to speak to them, but no response. I think next year we again go back to the February because that is slightly warmer and we will get more participation in those months. Now we are also doing, one more thing was promised, that was opening of the office, and I must thank Professor P.V. Sharma that he has provided a space in the college for the Alumni Association. Alumni Association is thankful to Professor P.V. Sharma for providing the office. Mr. Navneet has already spoken about amendment in Article of Association. We are getting responses and we will put it to the general body meeting. One suggestion of that is already implemented, that is the student member. And I am saying this because some of the students who are studying in the college are there. They can become a student member without paying any fees for alumni. We have opened a college, we have put a form there in that office in the college, in the university. They can fill the form and once they pass out, then they can pay the fees and become the life member. And fees is very nominal at the moment. It is 1,000 only. 1,000 fees. It is only 1,000. Now about the awards, we honored the distinguished faculty. At least I should say it is not we honoring them. When we entered the college, we spent 5 years with our faculty and they shaped us. And because of shaping, the Delhi College of Engineering alumni and DTU alumni, they are shining. We are privileged actually to honor them. I really thank our faculty who have been honored and other faculty. I am finding our faculty in a large number this year. I am really thankful to them. Now we have been awarding distinguished alumni and there is a need for the transparency, how the awards, who should get the awards. We have already formulated, Mr. Mahajan actually was heading the committee, formulated the guidelines. We are putting them on the website so that anybody can see, and if somebody feels that he qualifies the criteria, he can write to us, because we are trying to find out where our best alumni is there, but sometimes we may not get, or we may not be aware. So if anybody who is aware of anybody following that criteria, please sending emails. That will help in getting the best awards to the people. We are also planning a foundation. Foundation is basically getting the sponsorship from various people so that we can invest in our alma mater. I got a letter from Mr. Ron. He is 1963 batch. I'll just give some excerpts from his letter. He could not attend because he has to have some meeting in Brazil. He says, "It gives me great pleasure to know that alumni of DC and DTU are gathering for the annual event in Delhi on January 11. I wish to send my best wishes to all of you and wish to congratulate office bearers and organizers for keeping the spirit of our great institution alive last year. I had the privilege of attending the Golden Jubilee celebration. Last year, 1963 batch was celebrated. It was a very emotional experience to connect with my classmate after a gap of 50 years. I will cherish the memories of this reunion for the rest of my life. I would also like to take this opportunity to share some thoughts with my alumni brothers on how we should help the alumni group in our institution DTU. He has given some suggestions. One is like creation of a foundation in which the alumni members should donate 1% of their salary for the foundation. Adopt a student program. Some more suggestions are being given. We'll put them before the alumni association and then take decision about that. Mr. Sanjay Diwan also talked of tie. We are giving a tie as a gift this year to our alumni members. See, this tie has been properly designed and we want it to be a brand. Like anybody wearing this type of tie, you have the doubts, yes, it may belong to the Delhi College of Engineering or Delhi Technological University. That is the basic purpose. Like in IPS, we have a tie. And anybody wearing that tie, we come to know that he should be an IPS officer. Similarly, we want a brand to be recognized with each other. That is the purpose of tie. This logo again has been designed. I must say that Mr. Sanjay Diwan has worked very hard for this, and he was assisted by my daughter Shruti, who have worked hard and created this logo. We had done some experiments about batch coordinators, but it was not very successful. Initially we get some responses, but thereafter when the people come to work, they are not finding time. And next meetings, people start skipping. I request all of you, please send your names on the website for the batch coordinators so that we can expand the work of the Alumni Association.